This month at Success Your Way, we're talking about money. In the next few weeks, we'll discuss setting financial goals, creating a successful money mindset, and manifesting wealth in your life. But before jumping ahead, we have to talk about how to build a strong foundation. Most of us do not have a good relationship with money, so we avoid talking about it. Money flows in and out of our accounts, but we don't really know what our money is doing for us. Does that sound familiar? Because it does to me. For the last few years, I've been on a journey to repair my relationship with money. I've never been one to rack up enormous credit card debt or live far beyond my means. My money problem, which many of you probably share, is that when I don't track my expenses, they catch up with me. My 3 times a week latte from my local coffee shop was costing me $100 a month without me even realizing it. I had subscriptions to streaming channels that I hadn't logged into for months or even years. Tracking my income and expenses has been the most impactful thing I've done for my financial health. The word budget gets a bad rap. It sounds like restriction. It sounds boring. But in reality, a realistic and easy to use budget is a roadmap that helps you direct your money in ways that align with your values. Budgets are guardrails. They tell you what you can spend and they give you a path to achieving your goals. I am most financially motivated when my budget strikes a good balance between reality and aspiration. You may want to only budget $50 for gas, but if you commute an hour to work, your budget has to include enough money to get you where you need to go. And if you love to cook, your budget would be boring and unrealistic if it didn't reflect that in your grocery bill. In my family, we rarely go out to eat. Partially because we have 2 small kids, but also because we really love to cook. So our grocery bill is probably higher than that of some people who spend more money at restaurants. When you build a budget that drives you towards your goals and considers your actual life, you'll find that following it can be kind of exciting. Last year I paid off my student loans and it was thrilling to watch my debts decrease each month. Now, my goal is to increase my savings, and it's equally thrilling to watch that number climb. So, here's your assignment for the week. If you're not already doing it, it's time to start tracking every penny that goes in and out of your account. When you know how you're earning and spending your money, you can set goals, cut back where necessary, and make wise investments. There are tons of different ways to track your money. You can use a program like QuickBooks or an app like Mint. You can build an Excel spreadsheet or just write the numbers down on a piece of paper. It's more important that you track your money than how you do it. Choose a method that will work and that you will actually use. Money is power, and not tracking your money is to relinquish your power. If you're not already tracking your income expenses, now is a great time to start. With good data, you can make wise, strategic, future-focused financial decisions.